Sorry.
Those boys raped me. Please, can you take me home?
No, those boys need to be punished for their inhuman crime against womanhood.
You want me to bring shame to my family? Do you want me to be a laughingstock in the community?
No, but you're bleeding and you need medical attention. Please help! Please help us! Somebody please help! Please help us!
Was she involved in an accident? Was it an accident?
No, she was carrying my boy.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Sorry.
It's okay. Let's go to the police station.
Sorry.
It's okay. When next you find a girl or a child molested, physically assaulted, abused or harassed, the first thing you should do is to go to the nearest police station. When you get to the nearest police station, you'll be given a form to take to a government-recognized hospital. Please subject yourself to the medical examination. Do not wash off the stains or any sign of the abuse. Do not cover or hide the offender. Speak up. FIDA is here for you.
This message is brought to you by FIDA Bayelsa and Face Initiative with support from Oxfam.